Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ice cream easy full guide. Immediately chill your bowl and base, then combine cream, milk, sugar, and flavor. Whisk until sugar dissolves, cool it in the fridge, and prepare your churn or freezer method. Use a shallow pan for faster freezing and stir periodically to break ice crystals. I'll share flavor ideas, troubleshooting tips, and a no-machine method anyone can follow at home. Start by gathering your ingredients and tools and warming milk gently to dissolve sugar for a smooth base. Add cream and your chosen flavor, then cool the mixture quickly in an ice bath or fridge. If using eggs, temper them to avoid curdling and blind cook to thicken slightly. Chill the base for several hours, ideally overnight, to improve freeze texture and flavor melding before churning or freezing. Quick recommendation: if you're waiting on your ice cream to set, grab a Kindle Paperwhite and curl up with a recipe book or novel as it chills. The glare-free screen is perfect in the kitchen light. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple recipes. Check the description for the link and other deals, and when you're ready now, let's get back to the video. Use an ice cream maker for effortless, consistent results, pouring the chilled base into the machine and watching it thicken to soft serve. No machine. Pour into a shallow metal pan and stir every 20 minutes to mimic churning and break ice crystals. Once it reaches a scoopable texture, transfer to an airtight container and freeze until firm. Add mix-ins near the end of churning to keep their texture intact.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.